Alright guys, so believe it or not, I was at the grocery store and this was a limited time, look at this. Limited time only Doritos Ketchup. And I've never seen this ever. But yeah, check it out. Here are the ingredients though. It's made of corn. You got some MSG in here though. Don't see anything else that's anything, but there's garlic, onion powder, so that's about it. So let's do a quick taste test. As like I said, this is a limited time only. So all right. So here's what it looks like. It smells like the old Dutch ketchup, but let me see how does it taste. I'm gonna try one. There it is. Okay, so it tastes like Doritos with old Dutch ketchup flavoring. So it's actually not bad, but the ketchup's not that strong though. So all right guys, have any questions, comments, please subscribe to the channel.